I am joined here right now, Jesse Thompson, Lee Valenti, owners of Hey Giant. Thank you so much for having me inside this awesome spot.
No, thank you. We're pumped to be here with you.
Because we've been friends for quite some time now.
Definitely.
I mean, we started off because of MasterChef. I mean, walk us through a little bit about that whole path of how we really became friends.
Some of our kids were interested in MasterChef, so we thought we would just go down to formerly Fodder and Shine, and
The rest is history.
And the
Yeah,
rest
we
is
went there,
history.
we checked it out, and we were just kind of moved by also
Your
kind of the
story.
charity connection and the story.
You guys have had some humble beginnings too. I mean, you were working with a small little spot, the bungalow, and now we're here. I mean, how did you get from there to here?
Well, we started as a creative learning center for kids, and we opened up a little bungalow. We did it at night and on the weekends because we were both teachers. Last summer, we just decided to do a biscuit pop-up on the weekends to kind of lower our prices for kids that couldn't afford it in the community. And we got into a shared kitchen, made biscuits, brought them over.
Yeah, we just kind of followed the track. But yeah,
Followed the track.
it started simply as a way to kind of help fund our learning center.
You guys are like the premier spot to come for biscuits in all of Tampa right now. Oh, I know so. And you guys are gonna help me make some biscuits right
I'm
now.
gonna show you what we do.
All right, so let's get down and dirty with some biscuits.
Okay, so we're just gonna jump in. Everything we do is by hand from scratch.
Yeah.
So it's simple ingredients. So we're gonna roughly do 2 of these. This is one.
2
for
cups.
me.
All right, so I gotta get
I'm
my
gonna do 2 in real quick, and then this is your chance to get
Boom.
to get in here. The next piece is we gotta cut in our butter
Okay, salt it, not
is the
salted.
salted
butter is what we're going with.
and
Okay.
a cream cheese.
Okay.
And so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna pinch this off. You know,
Okay.
nothing precise. Either which one.
Okay.
You can put one down and pinch the other.
It gotta be really rewarding for you guys to see the successes of, like, you know, where you've been, where you're going, and like, where are you guys going next?
We're just gonna keep following the biscuits. You know,
That's awesome.
If people keep coming, we'll keep making them.
That's awesome. Well, let's keep making these biscuits.
So you got it pinched off.
Got it.
Now we're gonna work it in. And
All right.
the first step is with kind of my thumbs here, I kind of just rub that dough right in.
Rubbing that butter. Gotta just rub that butter. All right.
Hey, you got it. After your chunks feel gone,
Okay.
then that's when that kind of hand rubbing comes
Okay.
in, because then you're kind of working in there. And you're aiming for kind of like beach sand.
Okay. All right. So a little coarse, but nice and cool. But everything's
No
gonna be
big
kind
chunks.
of incorporated in.
Yeah, no big chunks.
Yeah, you live in Seminole Heights, and you know right now Tampa's got this whole live, work, play. I mean, you truly are that in its own self. I mean,
We definitely are.
small business. You live down the street. You work here,
True.
and then the kids are playing in the neighborhood.
That's right. We live a block behind our shop, walk to work every morning. The kids come back and forth, ride their bikes around town. We love this neighborhood.
Next step, and then Lee's gonna jump,
Okay.
is we kind of make a little well.
We make the well,
in
all
the
right.
middle of our thing, and that's where our buttermilk's gonna go.
About the number 12 here.
Okay, so then we're gonna pour that in the middle of the well.
Okay. Just go straight in. Okay.
This is
Straight
so-
in.
That's got
Boom.
it.
All right.
And then now the thing is not to mess with it too much,
Okay.
but you want to mix it in.
Let it just do its work.
Yeah.
Yeah, except
Really
we're pretty
slow.
easy going at Hey Giant, but this is the part
This is the part
where
to get
we get a little, we get a little serious. If you overwork that dough, then your biscuits are gonna come out flat.
Okay.
It's not gonna work.
And then you're gonna get a little bit of flour
Okay.
and just put it on the top.
Just a little dusting.
Just a
Okay.
little dusting.
So let's dust his top a little bit.
All right. So let's get a little flour on mine here. All right. Okay. We got that.
And then you're just gonna pick up your
Okay.
dough and turn it over.
All right. We're gonna
upside
just
down.
upside.
Now we're just gonna kind of roll it out
All right.
softly. And then I kind of like to puff it up a little bit like that. So you're gonna make a, circle about
Okay.
that big.
Okay. About that big.
Like
Yeah,
that.
look for your edges. That's where like hitting it from the side a bit. And so when you do it, that nice little pump hit, it like
Okay.
fills the rest out.
That's perfect.
Good. All right. Let's go for it.
Each bowl should make about 24 biscuits.
So you're gonna
Okay.
fill half this
Boom.
tray.
So you're gonna use as much biscuit as you can.
And then as you place it, we kind of squish them together.
Yep.
So we give a nice tight bake there.
And if you don't have enough, you can reincorporate it. This is kind of the tricky
the
part.
tricky-
This is
you
the-
don't want to reincorporate it too much.
Okay.
But you want to get the edges out.
Okay.
And kind of roll it out again.
Okay.
So who's going to do this
All
part?
right.
We're gonna let Jeff.
All right. Let's do it. So we just have some melted butter here.
Yeah, it's unsalted across all the biscuits.
Boom. This really is a therapeutic kind of process. I mean, like, I feel like I'm Bob Ross right now. Like, I'm just like painting nice little little happy bushes right here. And just make that shine real nice.
Biscuit making makes you happy, for sure.
We're just gonna put it in our oven here.
Okay, cool.
For about 11 minutes.
11 minutes, all right.
Fresh out of the oven.
Oh, look at those. Oh.
All right, ready for our final step.
Oh, now tell me, what is the final step?
All right, just need a little more butter.
More butter.
So you're gonna take the butter, butter on the top.
All right.
So we put a little on before we put them in, and then right as we take them out, we
there
butter
are
them up
many
again.
steps, many secrets.
You get your Bob Ross one last time.
One last time with some Bob Ross action here. All right, so let's go right into this bad boy. You guys, come on. Get right. Let's do it. Let's boom, right here. Cheers to you guys. Congratulations.
Cheers.
No, thank you.
And thanks for having me. Oh my God.
Very good.
So good.